Thanks, Kevin. Hey, everyone. I'm Ian, the head of data at Ramp. Ramp helps over 35,000 companies control spend, automate accounting, and manage vendors all in one place. We help the average customer save 5% per year on expenses, and we're headquartered right here in New York City. Across the company, we collect unstructured data like receipts, invoices, and bank statements, as well as structured data from systems you're familiar with. Our data team transforms this data, as well as structured data from systems you're familiar with. Our data team transforms this data to power critical use cases across the company. I'll start with one example. Capital markets operations. Ramp's business is extremely cash intensive. We work closely with banking partners like Goldman, Citi, and Barclays to maintain big lines of credit that we borrow against our receivables. That means we need to know which businesses owe us money at any point in time, down to the second, down to the cent. And that's hard. Credit card transactions can be reversed. Authorizations can be held and removed. An Uber ride may be multiple transactions once you include a tip. We also depend on many third parties who may send us data with duplicate rows, missing entries, and incorrect numbers. When that happens, it breaks the trust that we have with lenders. By flagging when data doesn't pass the smell test, Data Observability helps our capital markets team sleep better at night, and in turn, helps us extend customers the credit they need to run their businesses. Moving from operations to product, one of the most exciting products we've built combines data and AI. It's called Price Intelligence. Over time, we've collected millions of PDFs, receipts, and statements across customers and vendors. Traditional OCR and rules-based systems didn't scale. But with large language models, we convert this massive and messy set of documents into structured data. Then we surface pricing trends, outliers, and benchmarks across billions of anonymized transactions. So when you're looking at a contract, you can see what might be overpriced, how it compares to peers, and whether you can negotiate it down. But invoices change. Pricing models shift. LLMs aren't perfect. By catching these issues, Data Observability helps customers trust what they're seeing. We know foundational models will keep improving, but we believe there are really only two modes: customer context and data. Thanks to Ramp's product, engineering, and design teams, we're in a position to be that system of record. Now it's the data team's job to capitalize on that opportunity, and we can't do it without trust. And Data Observability helps us get there.